Hello and welcome back to C Tips channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install and arrange your desktop with Stardock Fences. Please stay tuned. When you have your Stardock Fences installed, you will have the ability to customize the icons on the screen in a very neat, tidy, and nice way. Now, in order to have the software installed, you need to have the software. If you wonder where to get a software, please click on the link provided below in order to download the files. And I would like to tell you that this is only for educational purposes. If you really like and enjoy using the software, please support the software developers. Now, before you continue watching this video, why don't you download and extract the files? So you might need to pause this video in order to click on the link provided below to download and extract the file. Suppose you already downloaded and extracted the file, and now let's begin the installation process. Suppose you already downloaded the file and extracted the file, and now you have these three items, one folder and two files. Before we begin the installation process, please remember to turn off your internet to avoid any update while the installation is in process. For me, I turn it off right now. Alright, now you can begin the installation. Double click on this file. Yes. And wait for a moment. And then the installation box will pop up. Click on Agree to the terms of this license agreement. Next, you might want to change the installation folder. For me, there's no need. Next, and wait for a while, maybe a few seconds. And now it's done. Because I installed once, and now I install it once again, then in order for it to take effect, I need to restart my PC. But I'm not going to do it now. If this box shows, it means that the Stardock Fences is not registered, and you need to pay for the cost of $9.99, which is reasonable price. But I'm going to show you how to bypass that. Close 2 times. And now copy all the files in this folder. Go to Drive C or the Windows drive. The next step you need to do in order to activate the software to get all the features and to stop the popping up boxes from disturbing you, double click on this folder, copy all the files from this folder, and then go to Drive C or the Windows drive, go to Program Files. If it is 64 bits, go to Program Files 86. From there, locate Stardock. Open the folder, open the fences, right-click, anywhere on the empty space, paste. Replace files in this destination. And now you have the key maker and patch file. Right-click, choose Run as Administrator. Yes. Yeah, I want to turn off the music, otherwise I won't be able to speak. You will listen to music only. Go to Patch. You might do it 2 times or once if it works. If it doesn't, just patch it 2 times. Exit. And now you have the fully licensed software. Okay, now you have the full licensed Stardock Fences. If you want to know whether it is fully licensed or not, then just right-click, and on the top of the context menu, click Configure Fences. It takes some time to load, so please be patient. And then go to About, and you will see no page showing you requiring you to pay any money. Alright, and now let me show you how to customize the icons on your desktop. Alright, because this I created already, I don't want to mess up with it. Just go to another site. If you want to create icons on another desktop, then simply put the cursor on the edge of the right or left, and then hold down the left key and drag it to the left. Release it. Alright, so from there you can create the fences or the walls. Right click, drag it wherever you want, and release it. With the two phrases here, create fence here and one more create folder portal here. No, just create fence here. Alright, so you need to name or give the title of the group of the icons that you want to, so that it's easy for you to know whether these icons or the programs are for doing particular functions. In this case, for me, just testing. Okay, so width, alright, like this. Okay, you need to play around with it to understand more about it. And if you want to customize the color, let's go to right click, configure fences, go to adjust color and appearance, and then from there, do not choose all fences. If you choose all fences, then all the fences color, everything will be the same. So go to, and then you have to click, okay, in order to find, okay, here, testing. And then only this particular fence will be customized. Alright, so let's play around with it by yourself and to see which one you really like. Okay, I choose this purple. Okay, so saturation, color intensity, how strong the color should look like. Alright, let's finish it there. Close. And then if you want to have the icons there, let's drag this file or drag this icon and drop it there. It's there. If you want to hide it, double click on the desktop, so you won't see anything, any icons on the desktop. Okay. And if you want to get it back, you want to show it again, double click on the desktop anywhere. It's back. And if you want to go back to the main desktop, use your cursor here, put it at the edge, and there you have to hold it down with the left click and drag it to the right. And this one, because I use the, what is it called? View, visible only on mouse mover. So it's easy for me, I don't have to double click. What I have to do is just use my mouse to move around to see what I want to use, and then just, move it away and it disappears. If you want to do that, it's not difficult. Okay? Go to Option, View, 0% of the visibility. Click it. Okay, disappear. And now, if you want to see it, move the mouse cursor here to that direction, the place where the fence is. And if you want to show all the hidden fences, you can press the Alt key either on the left or on the right of the space key. Right? It's easy, isn't it? Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have more questions, please leave the comments below. I'm going to respond to it as soon as possible. See you for now, and good luck. Bye bye.